Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I engraved this powder covered tumbler, keep watching. Okay, so items you'll need to complete this project will include Citristrip. Now, I did use this in another video, removing epoxy from a cup. If you did not see that video, I will have it linked somewhere on this screen. You'll need a tumbler. You'll need something to paint the Citristrip on. Of course, you'll need some transfer tape and vinyl. So you'll need to make a design on the vinyl, like a name. You can do monogram, whatever your heart desires, go ahead and do so. You'll also need some gloves, so go ahead and get some gloves. And you'll need a weeder, so something to weed out your image. All right, I think that is all. If I miss anything, it will definitely be in the description box below. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and reverse weed your image. And basically, you're going to remove the things that you would normally keep. So you're going to go ahead and remove this because you want it to become a stencil. All right, so next you're going to take your transfer tape and you're going to put it over the stencil. Go ahead and across there. All right, so then you're going to get your tumbler and then you're going to just lay your stencil. Make sure you wipe off everything. You're going to take your stencil and you're going to lay it where you want it to sit. So about there. Now you want to make sure you rub your stencil down to remove any air bubbles that are around the letters, because you don't want the solution to get underneath of the stencil. All right, once that's laid down, you're going to go ahead and remove your transfer tape. Get your sponge brush and a little bit of the Citristrip in a cup, and all you're going to do is put it where the letters are. So I got a little bubble right here, so let me go ahead and get that out. And you're just going to put a healthy amount on there. Okay, and once you have it on there, covering all the blank spots, you're just going to let it sit there for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can leave it on there longer if you wish, but 30 minutes should do the trick. If you have anything on the edge, you can always just wipe that off. As long as it's not sitting on there for a long time, it won't remove any of the coatings. It's not like armor etch. As soon as it touches the glass, it pretty much works. This, if you just kind of clean it up, because I got a little right here, you'll be good. All right, so I'm just going to let this go ahead and sit for about 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I left this on for a little longer than 20 minutes. I had some other tasks I needed to do. The drips stop right there. So if you want to try to cover this part up just in case the drips continue, then I would suggest doing that, because once it gets on here and stays on there for a while, it will start to activate. But if you catch it early in the process, it won't do anything. But once it's been on there for quite a while, it will start to peel the coating off, as you can see with the A. It shouldn't take that much for me to get the enamel or the coating off of the other letters, because it was on there for, it may have been on here for like an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, and then I'll be back with the finished product. All right, so I use this rubber glove, this heat resistant glove, to kind of wipe the, sorry about that, wipe the peelings off. I didn't use anything harsh or anything to get it up, so I would suggest maybe keeping it on a little bit longer than 20 minutes, so you don't have to do too much scrubbing on your cup, because you don't want to mess your steel up too much. It does look a little janky. I mean, not too bad. It's not as clean as, you know, if you are using an engraving machine or anything like that. It's not as clean as it would be with an engraving machine, but it is cheaper than an engraving machine. So I would suggest, you know, using it if you want to just give like some gifts or something like that. I'm not sure if you can go around and clean the edges up a little bit more. Maybe I'll try it, and if I'm successful, I'll come back and show it to you. I mean, as you can tell, it's not that bad. Let me go ahead and bring this a little bit closer. So it's not that bad, but you can see it's not as clean as it would be on a regular engraving machine. And I mean, it could get cleaner if I did use a scouring brush or something like that. So I may try that next time, other than the rag and the soft glove, but I didn't want to scratch it up too much. So yeah. But anyway, y'all, this is the project. If y'all enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit me with that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. I will be back on track and try to get our video out at least once a week. All right, y'all. Thank you again for all the support, all of the love that you continue to show me each and every video and each and every year. So I appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. I hope y'all have a blessed and beautiful week, and until next time, y'all, peace.